how to leave multiple servers on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to leave multiple servers on Discord at once. So here is the thing. Discord does not have an official leave all servers button. So here you must leave servers one by one. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it. So here first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the Discord, then what you can do is just go to the home tab to go to the home section. And now here at the left sidebar, you'll see all the servers that you're connected with. So here what you can do is just tap on the servers that you want to leave. And now here, once you are inside the server, then what you can do is just tap on the server name at the top. And here in this section, what you can do is just scroll down, and there you'll see the option labeled as leave server. So simply tap on it and confirm by tapping on yes, and after that you will be removed from the server automatically. Now here you can repeat for each server that you want to access, and this is the one and only fastest safe method on Discord. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.